Aloha, my friends. Today, we make the Hawaiian cocktail. The Hawaiian cocktail is really a lesser-known collection of different cocktails, somewhat related to each other, maybe, sometimes. You can find a couple variations from the Beach Bum Berry books, including the Royal Hawaiian Cocktail and the Carioca Hawaiian Cocktail, both of which contain pineapple juice. You can find amaretto versions, orange juice versions, orange curacao versions, and a gin version from 1933. And yes, you can see a hurricane on that same page from 1933, but that is not related in any way to the hurricane. And then we have a few versions from Trader Vic. Originally, he shared that orange version, but later we see a pineapple, egg white, and rum version that he featured in the 1974 Rum Cookery and Drinkery book. I latched onto this one because of the rum that he called for, and I said rum, emphasizing the H there, because he's calling for a Rhum Barbancourt 5-star, or Barbados rum. Now, those rums aren't that related. Rhum Barbancourt is from Haiti and made from fresh sugarcane juice. I've had this book for a couple years, and it's one of the few, maybe the only Trader Vic's book that is not digitized, so there's still a lot of good stuff to find in there. The rock candy syrup recipe is in here, and I think that's the only place that it exists. All of the recipes, the food and drink are rum-based, and there's a lot of insights into rum in general in the eyes of Trader Vic that is for the most part the same as his other books, but sometimes expanded upon. If you followed the last video I did where we talked about the second adjusted formula and Trader Vic using a Martinique rum, well, there had been plenty of evidence to show that he was referring to a molasses rum, but the passage in here is even further proof. Vic says, Martinique rums are similar to dark Jamaican rums because they are dark and pungent in flavor and aroma. Some are distilled in Martinique, shipped to France for aging, and reshipped to us as French rum, Negrita. These French rums are extremely dark and carry more of a molasses taste than the Martinique bottled rum. So while yes, we're a little bit off topic with today's journey, this is just evidence to pile on here that dark molasses-based rum was used in that Mai Tai version, and rum Negrita, that's actually something you can still find today, at least in France. And the reason that I am talking about this once again is that Vic was more than aware of the differences between how rum was produced. While the term rum agricole was not used in 1974 and would not be classified as such for like another 20 years, Vic explained Haitian rum, Rhum Barbancourt, is being made entirely from pressed sugarcane juice, not molasses. So he was defining rum styles in terms of sugarcane juice or molasses back in the 1970s. And one of the reasons I can devote so much time to reading and rereading Trader Vic is because of supporting viewers like you and supporting sponsors like ZBIOTICS. ZBIOTICS Pre-Alcohol Probiotic Drink is the world's first genetically engineered probiotic. It was invented by PhD scientists that tackle rough mornings after drinking. Here's how it works. When you drink, alcohol gets converted into a toxic byproduct in the gut. It's this byproduct, not dehydration, that's to blame for your rough next day. Pre-alcohol produces an enzyme to break this byproduct down. Just remember to make ZBIOTICS your first drink of the night, drink responsibly, and you'll feel your best tomorrow. So click on that link in the description or use the QR code that is in front of you right now on the screen to get 15% off your first order. And as always, ZBIOTICS offers a 100% money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied for any reason, they will refund your money, no questions asked. Now it's time to make this simplified cocktail shared by Trader Vic, but not technically, I guess, a Trader Vic original. So let's start with 1 dash of orange bitters, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of our Rhum Barbancourt 5-star, and 1 egg white. And yeah, it's a raw egg white. I'm fine with it. Use a pasteurized liquid egg white if you want to, and make sure it's a non-flavored kind, or just use an alternative. So there you go, the Hawaiian cocktail according to Trader Vic. All right, let's try Trader Vic's version of the Hawaiian cocktail. Cheers. It's pretty good. It's pretty basic. It's pineapple juice and rum with some orange bitters. The egg whites there, it's lightening up a little bit more, so you're getting quite a bit of foam from your pineapple juice. from your egg white as well to just give it a different texture. But it's mainly pineapple juice and Rhum Barbancourt. And the Rhum Barbancourts, the aged ones, they kind of start to drift into cognac territory because they are aged in French oak like cognac. And while the first instinct, I think, for many will be to acid adjust pineapple juice here, you could. It's not a pineapple daiquiri. It's just something that's similar, a little different. The small amount of orange bitters does come through. So there's a nice bitterness that you can sometimes get from pineapple juice that feels a little bit heightened by the orange bitters. But it's a relatively simple, pleasant, refreshing, basic drink, and one that if you're not wanting to overcomplicate your palate, then this works. So there you go, the Hawaiian cocktail, the Hawaiian cocktail from Trader Vic, something that's pretty good. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to support this channel more. Check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you on the next one.
All the magic colors of your lovely flower shore. Sing, Hawaii, sing.